Nokia N-gauge disassembly. You need SRT6, a Torx Plus driver size 6, a slotted screwdriver, and different metal tweezers. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Check condition of window and LCD. Press release button and remove B cover. Open the two main clips at the corner of A cover with SRT6. Now, A cover and chassis can be separated. Remove both key mats. Also protect the inner side of the window with a film against dust and scratches. Unscrew the 9 Torx Plus screws in the following order. Remove screws with tweezers if necessary. Take away UI shield. Protect LCD with a film. Carefully unlock LCD connector. Remove LCD. Turn around the unit and separate PWB module. Lever out antenna from the right side. Lever out speaker exactly from the point shown. Remove vibromotor. Avoid damaging the spring contacts when removing the gray and the black SM jack. Lever out HF speaker carefully. Remove old silicone gasket if it is already loose somewhere. Remove microphone by pushing a Torx driver through this hole. Corrugated tweezers should be used when removing DC connector jack. Unlock power key and remove it. Release button can be unlocked with SRT6. Now disassembly procedure is finished.